Okay, today I'm going to show you is new product I have on my site, my store. I mean, it's called Bing's controller. It's a one-channel one. This one could be actually made into a two-channel one if you take it apart and add another cord to it, another connect to it, the outlet to it, and it will be able to do it as two, as when it's on off, one for on, one for off signal. But right now, there's only one for on signal on it, as it comes with by default. Anyway, it's a very simple thing. It it may need to take two outlets, depending on if you're going to use a USB port on a computer or so. Then you can take one outlet, but you'll need a 5-volt USB source. So what I got here, hooked to the wall below the cord, is it's a USB charger. Why you need that is so it can power up the relays. To power up the relays, it takes 5 volts on it. I wanted to make it small and safe, so I decided not to put any circuitry inside it that take the 120 volts and could step it down. It has to be stepped down to an external power source, like a external power supply. Anyway, so what happens in you got these two white wires here. These are your signal wires. The one with the dash marks you see on here, that's positive. The one with the dash marks, this is what should be this wire right here. Then the one with the tiny the X's on it, which is the one on top, the one on the top up on the upside one. This the one above it. That's the negative of your signal. You'll make sure you get the polarity wire white. Otherwise, it could do something bad. Anyway, and here's the box. I took some time drilling it, and I got this here is where you got the AC side. It has AC input output. And their side's USB and logic. The USB cord, it has some of it cut. You see the inside of the USB cord. That's okay. It's not. It's cut there so that it could be make contact with the board. It doesn't make any contact with anything else. There's a piece of cardboard under that board to prevent it from touching the metal plate right there and doing something bad. It'd be terrible if it touched it or the two powers where the wires will go for the outlet are. Make a big bang or something. Anyway, it's about that. Let's show you how it works. Okay, to show you how it works, I'm going to hook up this power supply here carefully. Find the power cord to it. Here we go. I think it goes like that. Yeah, see up there? LED's just the light, Christmas lights just light up. And if I move it, power's gone. It's just off. On, off. As you can see, it works. Think about that if you had a function generator or a 555 timer or something like that, where there's a pulse on it, you may be able to make them flash. You would. You'll be able to make them flash. And the ticking noise, I don't think they'll be that loud because when it turns on and off, we can hardly hear it. It's a small relay though. I wouldn't put enough over an amp on there because if you do that, the wires that go to the board, they couldn't fit that one on that power cord there, so I had put a lesser gauge wire on it. Only one I had was for wire is this stuff. So I had to take a couple of these, which is probably not good for doing it like that, but I think it should work with 1 amp. It hasn't done anything bad. As long as you don't go over 1 amp. it should do good. It works well with the Christmas lights. Anyway, just make sure you don't go over amp. It'll probably break the relay, because I think I was looking at the data sheet of the relay, and it said on the contacts the maximum for 120 volts AC was like 1 amp. So it's kind of small relay. That's probably why it was cheap in it. And it was, why I chose that relay is because it was fit into a chip socket. And it does. It fits on the board, that one of those circuit boards that look like a breadboard. You know, with the wall bus lines going up and down, and then on the sides you got pins, you got wire holes on this side, holes on the white side. They go from left to right on the chip. And it fits right in there. I like about it is that they're so separated that they're hard to fall apart, so you can't solder on there to touch them. Well, I think this is about enough about rambling about this thing. So I hope you decide to buy it and stuff. So thanks for watching. Hope you like it.